Hello students. So today we will start the doubt session of differentiation. Some students have doubt in few questions. So I will start. First question is root x minus 1 over root x. So first of all change it into powers. X power 1 by 2 minus x power 1 by 2. It will go up, so it can be written as minus 1 by 2. Clear है जी? Now dy by dx. Remember we have done if y is equal to x over n, then dy by dx is equal to nx n minus 1. Clear है जी? So now derivative of this minus 1 by 2. So now you can apply u plus v formula. So d by dx of x power 1 by 2 minus d by dx of x power minus 1 by 2. So derivative of this n x n minus 1, 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2 n x n minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2. Clear है जी? So now it will come down, it will come, and same time you can do change into roots. Clear है जी? Minus minus plus 1 by 2, it becomes x power 3 by 2. In next step you can more simplify it. 2 root x plus 1 over 2. You can write x plus x power 1 by 2, or you can x into root x. Okay, you can break up this into two parts. Now you can see in both the fractions we have 1 over 2 root x common. So here I will left with us 1 plus 1 over x. So simplify it. It is x plus 1. So this is my answer. Please note down. Second question is y is equal to root x square plus 7. So similarly, first you have to convert the root into power 1 by 2. Okay. Now we can solve this question by two methods. Whether you multiply this, open the bracket, or whether you can apply the product rule here. So better we will apply the product rule here. Okay. So dy by dx. Remember the product rule. First function as it is, derivative of second, plus second function as it is, derivative of first. So first function as it is, d by dx of second, plus second function as it is, derivative of first. Okay, now just we have to simplify it. Take the derivative. Where the derivative of x square, it is 2x, but derivative of 7, it is 0. So we can leave it. X square plus 7, derivative of 1 by 2. You remember, just we have done 1 by 2 x minus 1. Okay. Now it becomes 2x into root x plus x square plus 7 upon 2 into x power minus 1 by 2. 2x root x square plus 7, this will come down and we can write it like 2 root x. Next step, you can take the LCM. 2 root x, so it is 2x, 2 will multiply, it becomes 2 root x into root x, it becomes x plus x square plus 7. Now it is 4x square plus x square plus 7 upon 2 root x, it becomes 4x square plus x square, 5x square plus 7 upon 2 root x. Further, you can again break up the relation. It becomes 5x square upon 2 root x plus 7 upon 2 root x. So next step, you can convert it into power 1 by 2. 5x square upon 2x power 1 by 2 plus 7 by 2 root x. Okay, it will go up. It becomes x power 2 minus 1 by 2, so it becomes 5 over 2 x power 2 minus 1 by 2 x power 3 by 2 plus 7 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. So this is my final answer. Please note down. Now some students have doubt in solved example 5 also. I will read the question. A particle starts from rest with a uniform acceleration. Its displacement after t second in a given in meter by relation x equal to 5 plus 60 plus 70 square. X equal to 5 plus 60 plus 70 square. What is this? This is displacement. Okay. Calculate the magnitude of its velocity. Initial velocity, velocity at t is equal to 3 second, uniform acceleration and displacement at t is equal to 5 second. So dear students, first of all we have to know what is initial velocity. Velocity, so not initial velocity, velocity. Velocity is rate of change of displacement. Rate of change of displacement. Okay. So we know the derivation explain us about the rate of change. So velocity is the rate of change of displacement. Rate means with respect to t. With time rate of change. You can say time rate of change of displacement. So we can calculate velocity by dx by dt. So what is the value of x here? It is 5 plus 60 plus 70 square. Differentiate it. You already know it is derivative of constant is 0 plus derivative of t is with respect to dt here. So we can take 1 plus it is 7 into 2 into t. So it is left with us 14t plus 6. So this is the velocity of the particle. Now we have to calculate the initial velocity. Initial velocity means at t is equal to 0. Okay, at t is equal to 0, you have to put the value v1 14 into 0 plus 6, it becomes 0 plus 6, 6 meter per second. Okay, second question, velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds. At t is equal to 3 seconds, just put the value here. So v2 you can say 14 into 3 plus 6. 14 into 3, 42 plus 6, 48 meter per second. So this is the velocity at t is equal to 3 seconds. Further we will calculate the acceleration. Now first you have to know what is acceleration. Acceleration is time rate of change of velocity. These definitions you have done already in 9th class. We will do again in our plus 1 class. So don't worry about this. So acceleration is rate of change of velocity, that is dv by dt. Okay, so velocity just we have done, it is 14t plus 6. So d by dt of 14t plus 6. So derivative of 14t is 14 and derivative of 6 0. So it is 14. Acceleration कितना आ गया मेरा 14 meter per second square. Okay. So what is the fourth point here? Displacement at t is equal to 5 seconds. What is the displacement? Initially 5 plus 60 plus 70 square. Just you have to put the value at t is equal to 5 seconds. Okay. So we'll put the value 5 plus 6 into 5 plus 7 into 5 square. So just solve it and you will get the answer. Thank you. Hanji. One more example. Example number 6. Some students have doubt in this also. I will read the question. The mass of body is 2.5 kilogram. What is given to us? Mass 2.5 kilogram. It is in motion and its velocity v after time t is given by v is equal to t by 3 plus t square by 2 plus 1. Dear, here is just a printing mistake. You will change it into t cube. Okay, it is t cube plus t square by 2 plus 1. Okay, calculate the force on the body at the time t is equal to 3 seconds. Now we have to calculate the force at t is equal to 3 seconds. Force at t is equal to 3 seconds. Okay. Now, no. You have to know what is force. Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Yes, we have done in ninth class. So we have to calculate acceleration because mass is with us. So we have just done acceleration is equal to dv by dt. That is the rate of change of velocity. So what is the value of v here? It is t cube by 3 plus t square by 2 plus 1. Okay. So derivative लो इसका जी. So it is 1 over 3 constant है. It becomes 3t square plus 1 by 2 constant है. It becomes 2t plus constant derivative 0. We can cancel this. We can cancel this. So it is t square plus t. So this is my acceleration. Okay. Now we have to calculate the force. Force is what? M into A. What is the value of M here? It is 2.5. Acceleration is what? T square plus T. So this is my force. But I have to calculate at T is equal to 3 seconds. Now we will put the values. It is 2.5 into 3 square plus 3. Yes, it becomes 2.5. 3 square is 9 plus 3. It's 12. Multiply 12 by 2.5, it becomes 30. So what is the unit of force? Newton. So F is equal to 30 Newton. So dear, these are a few uh, doubts. If you have any other doubt, don't hesitate to ask any question. So today I will send you the video of integration also. Okay, please go through it, and then after I will send you some unsolved question and solved example for that also. Thank you very much and have a nice day.